Hi kindergartners, welcome to graphics practice. Do you have something to write on and something to write with? We're going to do a shape today called bird footprints in the snow. So imagine it's snowy outside and a little bird is walking through the snow. What would their footprints look like? That's what we're going to draw. Bird footprints in the snow starts the same way as serpentine. Do you remember? I'll show you. Across, 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 curve down. Across, 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 curve down. Across, 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 curve down. Across, across, across. Then I leave some space and I do another line the same way. Across, 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 slant down. Across, 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 slant down. Across, 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 slant down. Across, across. So it looks just like serpentine. I have a whole space in between my two lines to draw the bird's footprints like it's walking along this path. Here's what the bird's footprints look like. Slant right, slant left, across. Slant right, slant left, across. So it's almost like you're making a sideways V and then putting a line in the middle. And when we finish, it will look like little bird footprints. Make sure you're leaving enough space in between your lines to draw some bird footprints. You can draw them bigger like mine, or you can try some little bird footprints like this. You have to change the way that they go as your bird walks across the path. This is another tricky one, so do your best, and you can always watch me while the music's playing to see how to do this shape. I'm going to get my page ready, and let's draw bird footprints in the snow. That serpentine track comes first. If this one's hard at first, that's okay. It will get easier the more we practice it. You may be noticing that your lines are too close together and you don't have room for the bird footprints. That's okay. We can keep trying. Great practicing, friends. The more we practice, the easier this one will get. You did bird footprints in the snow.